Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything I can get my hands on. So today we are doing Boxycharm. Now this isn't a normal Boxycharm. This is one of the ones that they had on sale. You could get base box and premium boxes for cheaper. So I think this one was around $15, and it has the normal 6 items, and they give you a bonus item. Now I kind of looked this one up a little bit, and it's from December 2021. So I have not had it before. So we're going to take a quick peek and see what's in here and see if it was worth my $15. Chances are, even one of the products in there is gonna make it worth it. Now, coming up, we did just have Boxycharm did have a whole bunch of mystery boxes on sale, and it went up, I think Friday that just passed, and there was like 5 or 6 of them, and they went from $11 all the way to $99. Now I was on there right at noon in my time in Canada, right when they listed them, and within 6 minutes they were all sold out except for the $99 one. So I did get my hands on one of those. So that is coming up soon, and they do have sales, 2 for the price of 1 right now for their mystery boxes. So we do have 2 base boxes coming and then 2 premium coming. No idea what month it's from, if I've already got it or if I haven't, but stay tuned and hit like, subscribe, and the notification bell so you're going to get notifications when I put these new videos up. We are putting new videos up every 2 days or so. So we're going to just start with this one. Alright, so when you open it, it's going to look like this. So we're going to get rid of this because who really cares? And then Boxycharm Gift of Glam. Now this kind of looks like a February one, but it's not because I looked it up. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in it. We're going to go through them and see what our bonus item is that they added to this. So first is the Elemis Superfood Matcha Eye Dew, Refreshing Eye Gel. It's 15 milliliters or half a fluid ounce. So it says, this cooling gel immediately quenches and hydrates the eye area throughout the day. Gently pat around the eye area. Use alone or under/over eye makeup. So it's like a little, I'm going to say it's a sample size, but it's probably not, because skincare ones tend to be ridiculously expensive for a tiny amount. And I mean, you're just doing under your eyes, so it's going to be a very tiny amount you're going to put on there. So this will probably last you quite a while. So this one retails for $39. That's crazy. But anyways, it's a really good brand. I've heard nothing but good stuff about it, so I will be giving that a check out. So next, what do we have next? Okay, let's do this one. It's Kenya Ontiveros. I'm sorry I said that wrong, and I'm probably not ever gonna get it right. But it's the Glow and Go kit. All around year-round shine and glow kit designed with a sleek, travel-friendly palette filled with Kenya's favorite shades. This is an all-in-one kit. It's all you need for everyday glow and touch-ups on the go. Now there is a mirror, so I'm going to cover it up, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what we have here. So I mean, obviously lots of neutrals and stuff that you can use to highlight, maybe contour a little bit, but I mean overall it's not shades I would generally use for my face other than eyes, but I mean you can do lots of different looks because there's lots of different colors there. So that's our item number 2. And that one retails for $48, which is crazy. Again, I mean, okay, next, is this it? Yes, Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. Now this one, I'm gonna open it up and show you guys the one. It's actually a pretty decent size. Alright. And that's what the one looks like. It's bigger than your typical one, so I mean it should cover really nicely. So I will be checking that one out. And that retails for $23. Alright. Alright, next we have Epiphone Skincare Beverly Hills. And this is a serum. A powerful serum that reduces the appearance of lines and wrinkles, tightens and firms, while providing the skin's surface with a protective barrier, helps retain water in the corners layer of the skin, making the skin appear plump and radiant. So this is 1 fluid ounce or 30 milliliters. Like, this is pretty big. I'm just gonna square a little bit so I can see what it's like. I got like a cooling effect to it. No smell. No smell at all. Does feel very oily, but I mean, it's a serum, so they kind of have a little bit of feeling. So it's greasy. And this one retails for $195. So that's item number 4. Next one is Dermastic Water Fit Mask. I'm wondering how many's in here. Where did I put my little knife? Is it just one in here? No. Okay, so you're gonna have 5 masks, and this is what it's gonna look like. And there's the package. Okay. So it's a hydrating mask to replenish the skin with moisture. A soft sheet mask that adheres tightly and delivers moisture to the skin. A mask that helps moisturize dry skin and provides rich moisture to the skin. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Wash your face, put it on. Leave on for 10 to 20 minutes, remove the mask, gently pat the remaining essence into your face for maximum absorption. So they are 23 grams each times 5. And this goes for $20. And the last thing that they're telling us is Evo Beauty Lip Duo. So, I mean, really this is a 6, but there's 2 in here. So, already 7 items, plus I still have an extra one. So, we're just gonna do this. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, I never actually have a proper knife. I use whatever I get. Like, I mean, it's a kitchen knife. It's a paring knife, but probably not what it's designed for, opening my subscription boxes. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. The lid just came off. Alright. So they are like a typical pencil tip. And they're very creamy. There's one. And 2. And that's what they look like there. It's actually nice and I mean, they glide on really nicely, so that's always a bonus. And those go for $24, so I'm gonna guess about $12 a piece. Now, for our bonus item, it looks like an eyeshadow palette. And I love eyeshadow palettes. I'm having a hard time with deciding what palette to use every day because I have so many at this point, and I'm trying to try them all that I get at least a couple times, and then, you know, pick my favorites out of that, right? I'm really stuck on one from Artitude Cosmetics out of the UK right now. Like, there's such high pigment in them, and they go on really, really nice. So this one is OPV Beauty London, and the name of it is Spotlight. Okay, when I open it, it does have a magnetic one, which I like. And there is a mirror in here, and it's a pretty big mirror, but I'm going to cover it just so I can show you the shadows. And there is half mattes, half shimmers. And there you go. So I'm going to do a couple swatches on my arm. Oh, and there's a black, and I really like when they add a black. I'm going to do a bunch of them, and then you can just see what they're like. This one's a gold color, so it's going to be hard to see on my skin, on the camera. It's very subtle, so I'm trying to see if I can build it up a little bit so it's easier for you guys to see. So that is our color all the way down. Right here is the gold, so you can see it. And that is a bunch of colors. So I will be playing around with that one because I really, really like the shimmery blue. So I will be trying that one for sure. So that is the last product today. So thank you for joining me. Again, like I said earlier, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I know we have a couple Boxycharm that I just shot last week, and they're the February ones with a Luxe box because I finally got off the waiting list for that one. So that one should be posted by the time you see this video. So check that one out as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.